Ready to stake Bitcoin securely? Follow 4 essential safety steps. Overview. Verify addresses. Enable 2FA. Use hardware wallets and confirm transactions. Step 1. Always verify the deposit address on your hardware device or trusted app before sending. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication on your wallet and exchange accounts for added protection. Step 3. Prefer a cold hardware wallet for staking deposits to keep private keys offline. Step 4. Confirm amount, fee, and destination on both device and app before approving the transaction. Beware phishing. Never click unknown links or paste addresses from untrusted sources. Use address book labels and QR scanning on secure devices to reduce manual errors. When possible, send a small test deposit first to confirm the address and process. Store encrypted backups of seeds and recovery phrases offline in multiple secure locations. Monitor the transaction until confirmation is complete and enable notifications for any activity. Follow these steps and stake with confidence. Stay secure and happy staking.